How to get TikTok to show only local videos. To use this feature, simply open the TikTok application itself, and you should be able to find your local videos from this For You option. Simply tap on this, and you can start from here. But if you don't find it over here, simply tap on your profile icon on the bottom right, tap on these three horizontal lines on the top right, then access the settings and privacy option. Scroll downwards until you find contacts and location. Tap on this, scroll a little bit more downwards and you should be able to access the location panel. However, it is not shown over here because this is not yet available in my region, but it should be shown over here. Now you simply have to enable the location option and make sure you give your phone permission to access locations for TikTok, and you should be able to view all your local feeds from your For You page. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.